Hi, I'm Brian from lowestpricedblinds.com, and I'm here to demonstrate how to get the correct measurements for the roller shades that you're about to order. We have these measuring tips and more at our website, lowestpricedblinds.com. Now, before you start measuring, you'll have to decide if you want your roller shades to be inside mounted or outside mounted. I also want to note that all inside mounted roller shades come with a 7/16 to 5/8 of an inch gap between the fabric and the window casing on both sides of the shade. If you go with inside mounted roller shades, then your window will have to be deep enough to accommodate the mounting brackets. On our website, we have a chart that clearly lists the minimum depth required for all the blinds and shades that we sell. For inside mounted roller shades, the next step is to measure the width of your window opening. With a steel measuring tape, measure across the exact width of your window, only at the top part of the window frame. This is the only measurement you'll need for the width of your roller shades. Remember to measure to the nearest eighth of an inch and do not make any deductions. Next, you will measure the exact height of the window opening, from the underside of the soffit to the surface of the window sill. Now for the height, you will be taking 3 different measurements, from the left, the center, and the right of the opening. You will be giving us the largest of these 3 measurements when ordering your roller shades. Again, remember to measure to the nearest eighth of an inch and always give us the exact size. Do not make any deductions. For an outside mount, you can either mount the roller shades on the wall above the window or directly onto the window trim. If you are mounting the roller shades onto the wall, start by measuring the exact width to be covered and then add 3 to 5 inches for maximum light control and privacy. You will then measure the height of the window opening to be covered. Depending on the type of headrail that you have, measure from the top of the protruding windowsill to 2 to 3 inches above the top frame of the window. For windows without sills, measure from 2 to 3 inches above the top frame of the window to 2 to 3 inches below the bottom frame of the window. This will allow space for mounting brackets, optimum light control, and privacy. If you're going to mount the roller shades directly onto the window trim, then you will measure from the trim's outmost flat surface, left to right, and deduct a ½ inch for the end-mounted brackets. Again, all of these measuring tips and more are available on our website, lowestpricedblinds.com, as well as our extensive selection of quality shades and blinds. And don't forget, we ship out free sample swatches from our many different styles and colors.